Hi everyone, Mr. Gordon here. Hope today's going well thus far. Today what we're going to do is start on our final essay topic. So this will be the culminating activity for our course. It's worth 15% of your final grade. You have a good chunk of time to finish this, so you'll have from now until the end of the semester in order to finish this. I have it put up in certain steps and they're just below. You'll see them just below this video here on our page. The first step is to choose an essay topic and then a rough outline. So I have like a template for a rough outline that you can use, and there's just a little section on the Word document that you're going to look at that has a section for what you're going to choose and why did you make that selection. So just fill that out briefly. And that's due this Friday. So you have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to finish that up. I hope that you get that done and chosen by then, and then have like just the different steps that are on there. Again, just choosing your essay topic, and then there's like an essay structure kind of section where I kind of point out what I want for each of the different sections and what should be included. So if you have any difficulty finding anything that you think should go in there, or any difficulty formulating your ideas, or even choosing a topic, I have a giant list of topics here. Not a giant list, but a good number of different topics that you could choose that would work well for our course. And if you have something that's not on that list, feel free to run it by me and we can work through that together. Especially if, just as if you're in part of the university course, I'd like it to have some sort of international law focus, because that's kind of like the domain of the course that we're looking at. And then for the college stream, maybe some of the Canadian focused sections and the workplace focuses and that sort of thing, I'd like you to kind of focus on. So again, look through all of the different ones that I put on there as examples. Choose one that interests you, and then just fill out the essay topic section and that rough outline section. If that's daunting, or if you're not sure what to put, contact me at any time and I will help you out. I will help you find different points to put in there, different sections to include, different sources. Any ideas that you need help clarifying or putting things in for, feel free to contact me. Either message me on our e-learning platform, send me an email, jgordon, jgordon, at sgdsb.on.ca. Again, and then just send that to me, and then we can meet on Google Hangouts even, and we can work through things together. I want you to succeed in this as best I can, so take a look at the rubric on the very last page of the document. It's just an argumentative essay rubric about what you're arguing in your law case. So take a look through that. The two other sections is I'm not going to go through them entirely right now because I want you to figure out what you're going to do first and then just leave it at that. And that's all you need to worry about for now. I don't want you to be overwhelmed in any way, shape, or form. Just focus on what you'd like to choose and then just have a little brief structure as to how you think you're going to move forward. Okay, that's all I'm asking for. But just so that you know, January 17th, so that's the next Wednesday, so you'd have 3 more days, and then I have like a little selected annotated bibliography. I'm not going to make you do a traditional annotated bibliography where you find the source, cite it, and then kind of write a paragraph about it. Instead, I'm going to have this, I already have it if you look at the document, but a little template for each of your different sources that you want to use for this selected bibliography. And then you'll just fill out all the information that goes along with it. And it kind of works as like an annotated bibliography instead. This just gives it a bit more structure, so I think you'll be successful with it. The last part is the final date for the completion and submission of the actual essay itself. And that'd be Thursday, January 25th. So that's the last day of class. Before the last day of class, though, I'm going to be posting up a couple exam review things because our exam's the other half of the culminating activity, so it's 15%. They're both worth the same. So for the exam, I will bring up a couple I'll bring up a couple reviews. That's what I wanted to say. I'll put up a couple reviews in the days leading up to the exam, so likely that week of the last day of class, so from just before the 25th, so probably the 22nd, 23rd, somewhere around there, and I'll put up a review and then just go through it. Take a look at all the different things I'm going to kind of ask you to look for. I haven't exactly decided on all the different sections for the exam, other than I know it's going to be online, and you'll just have to work out with your guidance counselor when you want to do it. And I'm not going to talk about that much more. Just be aware that that's going to come up in the future after we finish this. So again, the university stream has is a bit of a different topic, so make sure that you're looking at the right paper. The university one is a bit longer and is a little bit more involved, but that's okay. And then the college one has a bit of a different focus. It's kind of like a research paper-esque kind of thing with a couple different bits that are different in terms of the topics and lengths for certain things that I'm looking for too. So again, follow the guidelines. So you have this Word document on our newsfeed. Follow that as your guide. Go through each of the different sections, and then work on step one. So choosing your topic, making a case for it, and then just making a little brief outline as to what you want to do in each of the different parts of your essay. So for example, I have, there's an essay structure page that kind of shows you what I'm looking for in each of the different sections. So just go through that, answer each of the questions that are on there. You just super briefly, you don't need to write paragraphs or anything like that. I'm just looking for a sentence or two for each one. Maybe even just a list of terms or a list of ideas or cases or things that you're thinking of. And then kind of going through that. So that'll be due on Friday. So that's your focus for now. Again, if you need any help, please contact me and I will help you. I want you to succeed and I want you to do the best you can. And if I can help you in any way do that, then the more the merrier. So hope you have a good rest of your day, and I hope that clarifies a few things for this essay topic. And yeah, I wish you the best of luck. And again, don't feel free to contact me anytime. Okay? Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.